is hot, it is muggy, it just rained, but I'm out here for the weekend at my brother's, so gotta put some time in the REPU. I haven't taken any videos or put any footage of this pickup truck on my YouTube, so figured why not start now. The paint job, I might end up doing it, redoing it, but right now it's not bad. It's just got a little bit of patina to it. I repainted the frame rails, and with the Holley Sniper it comes with a little digital dash. It's a small one, but you can upgrade to a 10-inch, I believe, and you can see your speedometer, your speed, your RPM, all that. And, I mean, this does give you most of your vitals, but I'd like to see I don't know, more modern dash inside this thing. But yeah, this has probably been a 2 to 3 year build. It's taking me longer than it should have, but the reason why I went EFI instead of carbureted is because I want to boost this thing. I want to put a turbo later on in the future, and I want to be able to tune it and have enough fuel for it. So the Holley Sniper is pretty good from what I understand. It's pretty reputable, and I know a lot of people that run them on their V8s, and they do blow through turbo setup, so I believe I can do this exact same thing. I got a decent amount of space in here where I can have somebody fabricate me a turbo manifold, and the only issue that I can see running into is the intercooler. I'm trying to round an intercooler to where it doesn't look too obnoxious, but we'll see. Anyways, we're gonna get this thing running and we'll get some roller shots.
I told this Puerto Rican, he's like, yo, like a Repu? Like, nah, bro, like quit bullshitting. Like, yeah, bro, it's a Repu. That fucking original ass fucking tires, probably.
Original tires.
That shit looks sketchy as hell.
Because they don't even have a DOT number, DOT date.
That shit look like it's about to pop.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in it. We're gonna start it and
I'll put a little brake fluid.
Yeah, put some clutch fluid in it, and we're gonna go ahead and try to burp out the coolant a little bit to see if we can get all the air pockets out.
Yeah, so the idle still needs to learn, so...
Yeah. I was over here just like, alright.
So don't start it with the gas.
Around. My brother was talking about the CTSV brakes that he has on his S15. They're pretty big, they're beefy, and I kind of want to do something like that on the FC one day, but I can't. I don't think there's a kit that they sell yet, but they sell an Evo 10 adapter kit, so at one point that'll be something I'll be interested in.
Yeah, brand new brake lines and stuff. I reused the OEM brake lines on the for the CTSV front caliper upgrade. I could use them on the rears, but I was like, fuck, I was upgrading. The car's not that old. I think it only has like 60,000 miles in that car. So the parts that are on it really don't have a lot of miles.
Yeah. But making them better.
Yeah, just upgrading it is the way I look at it. Like, if you're gonna take something apart, might as well just upgrade it.
Alright, so we turned on the Repu for a little bit, let it warm up. It got about, like I said, 185, 186. Turned it off a little bit. Turn it back on. Let the heater core kind of, let the coolant circulate through the heater core and whatnot. And we're gonna go test it out. We're gonna go run it a little bit on the street. This thing has not been on the street since 1991. And literally says it right here. It hasn't been registered since 1991 in New York. Crazy thing about it is that this is an original Gainesville, Florida car. So on the back bumper says Gainesville, Florida. Rotary power, blunt Mazda. So 1974 with an 88 motor with a Sniper EF5 from 2019.
This is old.
It's interesting. It's just Frankenstein parts because it's got the front cover from the Repu, oil pan from a FB, the alternator from an FC, housings from an 86 FC, rotors from my 88, and the E-shaft from the 88 RX-7, flywheel from the 88 RX-7, front pulley from the 88 RX-7. There's just a bunch of Frankenstein parts. 86, 88, 74, 2019. off all of the...
No, you know what it could be though? It could be, lock it in. It could be fuel from here. So that could literally combust into...
Yeah, I do gotta be careful with it. Not only is it just fuel, but also has premix, oil.
Yeah, that too. You gotta be careful.
Alright, so I'm gonna get an air filter for this thing next. And we'll finish some of this wire next time.
Yeah.
So, fuck. At least we got a little drive by and got some driving footage. But, yeah. That's all for today. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned because there's gonna be a lot more clips of this pickup truck from here on. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and on to the next one.